Don't have curd at night. You will get cold. Don't have curd at night. You won't be able to digest it. I'm sure you have heard all these statements in your lifetime. Now the question is, what is science telling you about it? Are they true or are they just a myth? Let's try to figure out in this video. Hello everybody, welcome to Wellness Munch. I'm Shoma Chakravarti and I have done my graduation, post-graduation, PhD in food and nutrition. So I think I'm a little bit eligible to talk about this topic. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before we get into the topic, let's try to understand what are the benefits of curd if you're having it on a regular basis, right? First thing first, it is a great source of protein because it's a milk product, right? Plus, it has good amount of calcium, phosphorus, folic acid, which your body is definitely in need. Curd is a fantastic probiotic, right? So it actually helps to, grow the good bacteria in your gut. So that's how one must have curd on a daily diet. Studies are saying if you're having curd on a regular basis, you may be able to prevent the chance of getting diabetes type 2 or cardiovascular disease. Now that's a big claim, okay? And there are studies, legit studies to back these, statements. It has also been seen, specifically for treating IBS patients, curd has played a wonderful role. Now the question is, can you have curd at night? As per Ayurveda, we have 3 doshas, right? Kapha, Pitta and Vata. Now, Ayurveda suggests that when you are having curd at night, it's very hard to digest. That's why one should avoid having it. Plus, it is also saying if you're having curd at night, it pacifies the Vata dosha, but it actually increases your Kapha and Pitta dosha. That's why it kind of create an imbalance in between these 3 doshas. That's why in Ayurveda, they suggest not to have curd at night. Now the question is, all right, we get it. But what is science saying? You'll be surprised to know there is not a single study which has been proved that having curd at night will form mucus for a healthy adult. I repeat, there is no legit studies which can show that if you're having curd at night and you're a healthy adult, it will just form mucus in your body. So it is not true. But at the same time, you must note that curd is very high in histamine. Histamine has a tendency to form mucus in your body. So that means Ayurveda is not completely wrong here. So the question is, okay, fine. Now, what is my takeaway? Should I have it or not? Let me break it down in a simple words, okay? First thing, do not try to have full fat curd at night. Why? Because it might be very difficult for you to digest if you're having a full fat curd at night, because after having the food you are going to sleep, right? So your digestion may not be at its peak. Rather, you can try having low fat curd at night, okay? You can have the curd which has been formed from any low fat milk or double toned milk. That kind of a curd is fine, but definitely not the store bought one, because they add a lot of cream and full fat milk, so that it is much better in taste. Apart from this, if you are someone who is having tremendous lactose intolerance, okay, or if you're having milk allergy, you must avoid having curd. No matter whatever the time of the day, you have to avoid any form of milk product. If you're having poor digestion capacity, like you are somebody who frequently experience acidity, then heartburn and all that stuff, then you can also think of avoiding curd at night. If you're having cough and cold for more than 2 weeks, then you should also avoid having curd at night. Why? As I've mentioned already, curd contains histamine, right? And histamine is something which is responsible to form mucus in your body. How to have curd at night, which is like completely safe. Try to have low fat curd. If you're having curd, try to add, pinch of black pepper, black salt or methi powder, or you may add avala, you may add ghee. As per Ayurveda, they suggest all these things. If you're somebody who is really a fan of curd and you want to have curd at night. If you're someone who is struggling with constipation, then maybe curd along with a ripe banana is a good choice to clear your system. And if you are from South India and you love having curd rice, you may consider having curd rice as an early dinner. If you are trying to lose weight and you have tremendous sweet tooth, then you may try this trick. Just take a small bowl of curd, of course low fat curd, and add a spoon of jaggery in it. Mix it well and have it. So it's a wonderful way to satisfy your sweet craving in a healthy way. Well, I hope the video was useful. If it was, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, comment if you have anything to say, and of course subscribe to our channel. We will be coming back soon with some other interesting video. Till then, stay happily healthy. Bye bye.